What's up, guys? This is your coach Tom Wolf here. I am going to show you a cool new feature from Beachbody that will really be a great tool to help you, to help your customers to get set up and get their first order placed. So let me do a screen share here and I will show you kind of how this works. All right, so from your Team Beachbody site, first off, make sure you sign in properly. And I used my second business center here. Okay, and so, of course, you've got your tabs across the top here. When you scroll on the coach tab, the drop-down menu here shows coach office, my channel tracker, share a cart. This is what I want to show you, is share a cart. What a cool new feature. So I'm going to show you how it works. You can... So this is for new customers. So it's a new enrollment order. And I made up a fake one. So here's my fake customer. Ben Derdorker, United States, English. Yes, I have Ben's permission. Enroll customer, and you notice you can also enroll a coach. So if you enroll a coach, then it sets them up as a coach with coach pricing and all of that. But right here, we're just going to enroll a customer and we're going to continue. And so take, for example, if you have a brand new customer and you want to lead them through Clean Week, which I'm a little partial to Clean Week, but hey, it's a free fitness program that is a week long, and your customer can have an opportunity to buy a sampler pack of Shakeology. So it's kind of hard to get them to the right place for the first time to order their sampler pack. So hey, you can go right here, Shakeology, test samplers, Clean Week Shakeology sampler, add one to the cart. Excuse me. So there you go. You've got a cart set up for them with a Clean Week Shakeology sampler. Now, let's just leave that in the cart for now. You can continue shopping and order other products, or if you were going to order them a full 30-day Shakeology and make sure that they get monthly auto ship, so that number one, they get the cheap pricing, the $2 pricing, and number two, you get your 2 Success Club points, and number three, you give them a level of service and show them how to modify their orders. They can change their flavor, change their frequency, and show them how to do a live chat, and they can cancel their Shakeology, but make sure they know you're there to help them so that they don't get stuck with product that they don't want down the road. But you want to give them that great pricing in the beginning. So you just go to Shakeology, help them pick their flavor. Let's just say, do my favorite, chocolate vegan, and then 30-day bag, 30 serving bag, and monthly auto ship. Boom. You've assigned all of that to them. They don't have to figure out how to do it. You add it to the cart, and let's just say, oh yeah, they wanted to try Energize, but they only wanted it as a one-time purchase. So you can go back in, you can continue shopping, and you can order them a container of Energize as a one-time order and add that to the cart. All right, you get ready, get that all ready, make sure you got what you want in there, and then you can send them an email. Now, remember, let's go back to continue shopping for just a sec. Remember, you can also order them challenge packs, and all of the challenge packs are available. Beachbody On Demand, annual, all access, all the different options there. or a fitness program or whatever. Let's just go to the cart. We're going to send them the email. All right. And it also creates a shareable link that you can copy, and you can send that to them via Facebook Messenger or some other way. And so after you've done that, you can also check this order status of share carts that you have sent to your customers in the past. But for now, I just want to show you this, how cool it is that we can do this. It's a great feature. It's a great tool. Learn it, practice it, get comfortable with it so that you can give a better level of service to your customers. All right, so let's just go to Ben Derdorker's email address, which I just made for him. Here is Team Beachbody order. You click on it. This is what it looks like. It says, "Hi, Ben. Congratulations on taking the next step to leading a healthier, more fulfilling life with Team Beachbody. To begin, complete your purchase. Feel free to contact me with any questions." All right. So then it says, from customized support tools to the world-class workout nutrition products, Team Beachbody provides everything you need to achieve your best results possible. I'm confident you can reach your goals with Team Beachbody, and I look forward to helping you along the way. Sincerely, Tom Wolf. My email address. So here's their cart. To complete it, check this out. You can click on complete the purchase, right? So it takes them to the Team Beachbody site. It makes the actual cart for them. It shows them the products. They can actually go in and change the products if they want. If they want to take something off, they can remove it and just get one item instead of all of them. Also, it gives you this, which is really cool now. You might also like a Shakeology shaker cup, a storage container for Shakeology, Focus Energy, a sampler pack, 3-day refresh kit. So those are some other suggestions, and then they can just go to checkout, add their profile, add their shipping address, credit card information, and boom, they're done. How cool is that, right? So as Beachbody coaches, we're here to help people get results, but not to make it confusing for them. Keep it simple. What a great tool this is. I hope this has been helpful for you. Practice it, get used to it, enjoy it, use it. And if you got any questions, I'm always here for you. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. We'll see you.